Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share how we can easily and quickly paint a candy cane and make a card, with a candy cane design. So let's quickly start with it. For this, I'm going to use my 300 GSM watercolor paper and I've just folded it into half. And for the colors, I'm using my colors from watercolors from Temu. And I will be using only one brush for this one, which is number 6 brown brush, and I have pencil and eraser, and then I will also be using this black gel pen for few outlining. So let's quickly start by drawing the shape of candy cane, which is really simple. So I'm just going to draw it towards the center. So first we are going to start from here and make a semicircle and then extend this line towards the bottom like that. And from here also I'm going to make a straight line and then just make a parallel line to the first one like this. So it's very easy and simple shape, and I'm going to erase the extra pencil lines. So that's the basic shape of candy cane. And for this painting, we are going to use two colors mainly. Basically, yeah, a few more colors, but mainly the candy cane is white and red color. So for the red color, we are going to use a mix of two reds, which is going to be a madder red, and then I will just use a little bit of pink in it to make it even bright. So, and first of all, we will mark the lines also for the candy cane. So let me quickly draw that. Let me start with the white and show you how I'm going to give the effect to the white one. So for the white, I'm only going to use very watery black color, very light watery color, which is going to be almost like, you can say, very light grayish touch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just outline this candy cane with this color very lightly. And if you feel that it is still dark, which I do feel that it's looking little dark, so I have one technique to overcome that, which is I'm going to use my paper towel and just put it over this and just grab all the extra color that is there. So you can see that instantly it has become very light. So we only want this reflection in the white portion. And let's go ahead and paint the red part for the candy canes. So I'm going to use the same color, and let me show you first one. So I'll just outline this part first and then fill it in. Simple. And now I'm just going to add this color towards the side of this. Just on both the sides, I'm just going to drop some color. like this to give it a shaded effect, like this. And we will let it dry for some time, and then we will give more details to this candy cane. It's completely dried up now, and I'm going to use my black gel pen and give it a very loose and a rough outline. Like this. And I'm going to just give some lines like this, just a little bit effect. And also I'm going to add little few details like I'll just try and add a little cute bow on this side and few ferns around it. So let me show you. For the ferns, I'm going to create a few here. So this is what I will do, and then I will just use a green color to add the fern, the petals. So for the ferns, it's very easy and simple. So I'm going to make few small lines like this on both the sides of this brown line that we created. So ferns are very easy and simple to do, like this, and here as well. Like that. Let me create one here, like this. And now I'm going to add a little tiny bow on this side with a very dark red color, very concentrated red color. And it's going to be a very simple bow, which is, I feel it's going to come like this, like this, like this. Perfect. And lastly, I will also use the same red color to give some water splashes, like this color splashes over the card, like that. If you want, you can add the border to the sides of this card, which I really like to do. So I will use my black pen and make the side borders. So this is the final look of the card. It looks so beautiful and so elegant and yet so aesthetic. Um, it's very easy to do if you have very little time to make your Christmas cards. This is a very good option. And if you like today's video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to come with more easy Christmas holiday cards. So this is the first one for that. And you will find more videos on this on my channel. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you are notified whenever I post my videos. And till then, take care, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.